ApplyStart.com is an online platform that lets you apply to international universities more easily, at a faster speed and for free. Here's how it works. Go to www.ApplyStart.com. Click on Get Started. Create an account or sign in to begin. The first step as a student is to complete your profile. Fill out the information in the form. This needs to be done only once. Start with personal information. Write your name, date of birth, gender, and all the other required personal information. You can add a short bio as well. Once you are done, click Next. Fill in your academic information. Start by providing your academic history, such as the highest education you have achieved, your GPA, and the highest degree you intend to achieve. Add the institutions you have attended in the past and give details on it. Provide information on important exams you have taken. You can add English language proficiency tests like IELTS and SATs. You can add more information on important courses you have completed, extracurricular activities you have done, and awards you have received. An important step here is to upload files generally required by the universities. Here, you can add your transcripts, grades, and recommendation letters. It's time to fill in family information. Add family members and fill in their details. Click Save when you are done. Click Next. Fill in your contact and address information. Next, you may add information on any visa you currently hold. Provide your passport number. You have successfully completed your profile. It's time to start applying to your dream university. Click on Gallery to start exploring institutions. Look through all the institutions to find your best fit. Once you have decided, click on the institution to start applying. In this example, let's apply to York University. Start by doing your research. ApplyStart compiles clearly and concisely all the information that you will need to know to apply successfully. First, look at the highlights to find out an institution's accomplishments. Scroll down to find out more about your university, costs including tuition fees, living expense, rankings and more. Next, scroll down to find about the general university requirements you will have to meet to successfully apply to this university. You can also find out scholarship opportunities available, and steps to apply for scholarships. Look through transportation facilities, co-op opportunities and more information that the university provides. Scroll down and go through beautiful pictures of your campus. Finally, it's time to apply. Look through the Programs section. Find out details about the program. Click Apply Now when you are ready. In this example, let's apply to computer science. This is the final step of the application process. First, confirm your program details. Scroll down and you will see the Messages and Requirements section. In the Messages section, your university will send you notifications if they require additional documents or information along the way. This Requirements section will contain a list of requirements specific to your application. Now, click Review and then click Submit. After that, click on Make Payment to pay your application fees. You have successfully applied. You can now click on Applications and track your application progress in real time. In the application page, you can also see your institution has added a message and a requirement that you need to meet. And is everything too bright for you? Here's our dark mode.